Well, here I was, sitting quietly on top of the cliff overlooking the town hall, and this little lady came along, had a little chat, and then she chucked all her chip scraps all over the campus rose. What can you say? I don't know. But it did give the seagulls a good feed. I don't mind telling you, actually, I'm not in any way, shape or form a fan of seagulls. I really think they're horrible animals. Rats with wings, and if you own a little boat, they go and poo all over it. And they're noisy, and there you go. So, seagulls, I can take them or leave them, and I'd far rather leave them. But they do make an interesting aerial display of flight skills as they charge around trying to be the seagull that got the last chip. There you have it. Today I'm having a little stroll around, just in a small area. I walked here from home, stopped off and got myself a bag of chips as well, which I ate outside Trinity Church, so I could sit and watch people coming and going. And now I'm off to have a walk down Convalescent Hill after just taking a little look out to sea. And what can we see? Well, on the horizon we can see a quite small vessel fairly close in on the boards of the anchorage, and I can actually see a large container ship further out. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I can certainly see it. If you can't find them, they're just kind of near the top of the lamp standard. And then we'll have a little look down at the Town Hall Gardens, where you can see they're doing a huge amount of work on the public toilets. The space they're using is about 3 times the size of the toilets. There you go. And now to stroll down Convalescent Hill. Now, I don't know, or I can't remember exactly what the story was on Convalescent Hill. I think there was either a convalescent home that became a hotel, or more likely a hotel that became a convalescent home at the bottom of the hill. There's now a car park there, of course, and it's quite well used, so there you go. But it's quite a nice little amble down. You don't have to worry too much about that. It's not too steep, but if you're pushing a pram, I guess it could run away with you. And when, in the rare occasion that we get some snow in Felixstowe, when it does snow, this can be a little bit of a treacherous and dodgy road to go up and down when the snow is freshly on the ground. So you have to be a little bit careful, but not too much of a problem, I'm glad to say. And there we've got the view of the pier. We'll have to have a look at the pier one day, won't we? Now then, I'm going to turn around here. And there's Felixstowe's, I think, only Italian restaurant. I don't mind Italian food, but I haven't had much of it. Okay, let's get up now a bit. I don't know what they're doing, but it looks like they're doing a huge amount of work. A large amount of work the guys are doing here on the Town Hall Gardens. Don't know. Oh, for refurbishment. But our gardens are still quite nice, the Town Hall Gardens. Very popular. Well, they're popular with me anyway. I like them a lot. Nando's ever. Have a little walk down towards the sea. Nice little waves this morning, nothing dramatic. Does look pretty good, doesn't it? Pretty nice actually. You very rarely see these houses on the front up for sale. I think they must go for a lot of money. No. And the brick building you can see in front of you is the Alex. And in the Alex I once had the worst bit of liver I've ever had in a restaurant. It was pale and sort of slimy, but it was someone's engagement party and I couldn't bring myself to really make a complaint because I didn't want to spoil their night. There you go. So the Alex is not particularly great on my list. Excuse me. Far better in my mind is the Court Bar, where I really like to go and sit on a nice warm summer afternoon. There's a little bit of shelter, keep the rain off because this is Britain, but the bar is really quite pleasant. It's upstairs, it's open on both sides of the little central bit, and it's really enjoyable. I think it's a wonderful place. I like the Court Bar a lot. Okay, and there's the Undercliff kiosk, which has got a very good reputation. We're going to go up the thing. Oops. There we go. And this house has recently had a major going over. Looks really nice. And this used to be the Felixstowe Art Group's display window, but it is part of the house, and the house owners, I think, took it back to complete their house. And why not? Very sensible. And they've put a few photos up there of the place and its history. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Isn't that nice? Okay, and over the road, it's the Grand. I love Bent Hill. I can always remember the last time we had quite a lot of snow in Felixstowe, which was a long time ago. Some friends got their sledges out and sledged down the hill because it was close to traffic, because it was too dangerous. But they had a great time. And I was lucky enough to be able to film it. So they enjoyed it, had lots of laughs, and so did I. Good stuff. And that's Ruby's, which is pretty popular as well. We've got some nice places in Felixstowe. And that's a look up Hamilton Road. There you have it. Okay, I'm Chris, this is the Old Geezer's Diary. Thanks for watching if you have been, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care now.